I still got plenty of room left yet.
You're going to have a lot to go in there. Take that tire off, it'll weigh 45 pounds. I'm talking about just the mud part, I ain't talking about the rim. What do they break out when down at the tire store? Say, man, I don't know what I run over. It just wouldn't hold air no more.
Making tires like I used to.
I'd have it on video just to film it.
That's amazing, man.
Who's got apple pie?
Give me a screwdriver, somebody, or an adjustable wrench. Something, big old adjustable wrench, so he can shove that shit in there with it. A poker, boy. A poker, yeah.
No, I got it.
We use key ring.
Yeah, busted the wrench off.
Busted the wrench off and the key ring.
And he rolled it like that the whole rest of the time we was down here. We broke the
We lost the boat.
Wish I could remember
back
last
wheel
Yeah.
off.
We busted a wrench off.
Will these help
The
you?
end of a wrench, a socket.
Or you want a wrench?
You know what I mean?
We're good right now.
There you go, this will work.
Key ring.
There you go.
There
you go. Use one of these.
Filling that shit full.
We're gonna need to pull it out. This needs to be up on top. So I can
Man, I wish I had my fucking phone. Where is my phone when I need it? You take a picture of it?
Oh yeah, I'm videoing it.
You guys give us a hand, pushing this thing forward.
He's taking pictures, boys.
I can't complain. Gear.
Like I said, you were definitely
Oh yeah.
got to make a lot of difference.
Big difference.
Ground clearance is
All right,
I did get cold towards the end. I wasn't prepared to go out that long. Yeah, when it dries out, it'll be just right.
Transport drugs? Nope, get some tires.
Yeah, we do.
Hell yeah. That's the way thing is done here, wasn't it?
I'd take that 5-bar, shove back down in there.
Yeah, that's a new way of smuggling weed into the
I've
country.
heard of rolling grass, but this is ridiculous.
Liable to poke a hole in the tire with that stick, though.
Yeah, we wouldn't do that, would we?
I want to know, when you watched the Mythbusters, was it busted or?
How far did
No, it worked. It worked.
Okay.
It split in the sidewall just like that.
Okay.
What they did was they cut
They use straw.
That's basically the same thing as straw right there.
Yep.
Right.
They got like 4 holes.
It's a lot better than riding on that rim, that's for sure.
Oh yeah, better than, because it'll destroy that rim. We'll do something with
They
it.
had tools, obviously, but they took a log, drilled the holes out for the bolt pattern, and bolted it in the rear of the wheel.
There you go. Use that little thing there to help open it.
They had it on Mythbusters a while back. Filled the tire full of hay, straw.
How many pounds do we take this to?
I'd say 20 PSI would be plenty.
Yeah. You better pack at least once. Hey, who's got that tire gauge?
Yeah, we need to check the tire, the air in the
Check the air
tire.
pressure in this thing. We're getting close, we think. Boys, I've never seen this done before. Have you ever seen this done before? Would you have thought of that? Oh my.